1. eBay. 2. Freelance writing. 3. Photography. 4. Ghostwriting. 5. Virtual assistant. 6. Travel writer. 7. Slogging. 8. Web design. 9. Sell crafts. 10. Survey sites. 11. Google AdSense. 12. Affiliate marketing. 13. Uber. 14. Temping. 15. Rent your spare room. 16. Rent your home. 17. Rent your driveway. 18. User testing. 19. Social media manager. 20. Develop an app. 21. Write an ebook. 22. Release music. 23. Write a book. 24. Create an online course. 25. Trade domains. 26. Tutor. 27. Academic marking. 28. Research studies. 29. Focus groups. 30. Start a business. 31. Invest. 32. YouTube. 33. Twitch. 34. Earn interest. 35. Cash rebates. 36. Invest in real estate. 37. Sell used textbooks. 38. Enter competitions. 39. Mystery shopping. 40. Make t-shirts. 41. Proofreading. 42. Graphic design. 43. Become a consultant. 44. Hairdressing. 45. Fitness instructor. 46. Yoga teacher.